Hey there, everyone. The part one video got cut kind of short, so here's the rest of it, part two. All right, so number one is asking what is the probability that school will be closed? So it's either closed when there's heavy snowfall, 32% here, or it's closed if there's light snowfall, 18% here. Add those together, you get 50%. Not too shabby, 50% school closure rate. Dang. Number two is what is the probability of both heavy snowfall and school remaining open? So that is only this branch outcome right here. So I'm following the path of heavy snowfall and schools opening. So we multiplied those, we got 8%. Now down below, this is where it gets a little tricky. I have the probability that light snowfall given that school is open, and then probability of heavy snowfall given that school is closed. And I'm just realizing right now it goes number 4, then number 3, and I have no idea why. Interesting. So first, let's take a look at probability of light snowfall and school is open, or given that school is open. Well, school will be open in one of two scenarios, right? The 8% with heavy snowfall or the 42% with light snowfall. So 50% of the time, it's going to be open. Now, out of that 50%, I need to know what's the probability that it was light snowfall and school remains open. Well, that would be right here, the 42. So we would take 42% out of 50% to get an overall 84. Next, what is the probability of heavy snowfall given that schools are closed? So again, I'm going to do the probability of both things happening divided by what is the probability of just the conditional probability I'm working under, in this case, school closure. Well, we've already discussed that probability of school being closed is 50, so we already know that. But in case we forgot where that came from, we have school closures with heavy snowfall. We have school closures with light snowfall, so 32 and 18. Combine those together, we get 50% of the time school will be closed. And then it says, what is the probability of both heavy snowfall and school closures? So heavy snowfall and school closure. So heavy snowfall here, school closure here. I'm following this branch path. That would be 32% of the time. So we have 32% divided by 50%. We go straight to our calcs and we would get 64% there. So that is the culmination now of the tree diagrams. You know the drill. If at any point something did not make sense, you're stuck, whatever, you need help, please, 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 please send me an email. And as always, folks, good luck, have fun, be safe, roll tide.